Hi there, Brandon from BE Power Equipment, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to use your soap injector on your BE power washer. One of the first things you need to do anytime you're going to use your BE pressure washer is you want to make sure that you do your pre-use fluid inspection. I'm going to link some videos in the description on how to do that and the full startup procedures on your GC, GX, and PowerEase engines below. One of the things you're going to notice is your soap injector is either going to be a built-in or an external one. This particular soap injector is an external. The first thing you want to look at is you always want to make sure that your screen is clean at the end of your line. Once you've done that, you're ready to place your hose in your bucket or container of solution. You want to do 2 parts water and 1 part solution. This is more than adequate for any application needed. You want to be sure to pick up your BE Power Car Wash solution from the closest dealer available to you. Once you have the hose placed in the solution, we're ready to take a look at the soap nozzle that you need for the job. Every BE Power Washer comes with a black soaper tip that you want to make sure that you put in to the end of your wand here. This is the particular tip here that you need to use or your soap injector will not work. Now we're ready to start the unit. Okay, so once you've started the unit, you got your black tip at the end of the wand, you're ready to spray the surface that you want to clean. So obviously you want to start from the top down. Now we're ready to rinse the vehicle. Now what you'll notice is that there's going to be a little bit of soap that's going to come out. That's the soap that remains in the line. After a short while though, you will have just water that comes out of the wand, and that'll be more than sufficient to rinse the vehicle. Now that you're done with your cleaning project, the next step is very important. What you want to do is you want to make sure that you clean out your soap injector line and your external soap injector. The reason for this is because in here is a little spring and a little ball, and if soap sits and gums up on that, it could affect future use. So what you want to do is you want to place the line in a clean bucket of water, and you want to turn the unit on. Once the unit's on, you want to spray water out the gun until you see a sufficient amount of water run through your line and through your external soap injector. That should take care of that. I hope you liked the video. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like and be sure to subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please visit our webpage, call our hotline, or leave a comment below, and we'll be sure to get back to you. My name is Brandon. See you next time.